If you want to save money on the things you're buying, watch this video all the way to the end and I'll show you that now. Since we were talking about saving money, let's go to My Deals. Now look at all the places you can save money on My Deals. Where you eat, where you play, where you shop, and travel. That's a big one. You really save a lot of money on your traveling. Okay, let's go back into the system again. And if you go here, you can see your membership. You can see all your and if you want to download your app, an app, go to your mobile and download it. Just click here and download it. And there it shows you all your own info if you want to check that, and your order history, and here who all's on your team, and your referrals. I'm not gonna click on that because you're not allowed to show the emails, and once you start advertising you get an email with each one of them. So I always follow up because most people will not join something on the first time they see it. So I follow up, answer their questions, and then I let them decide what they want to do. And of course, if you go here, you'll see who your enrollers, but you should know that already. And if you go here for webinars, we have one on Monday and one on Wednesday and one on Friday. But don't worry, if you can't make those times, it's all recorded on YouTube. You can watch it whenever you have time or at your convenience. Then you can go there and you see who's on the leaderboard and rank recognition and my websites. Now, they call them websites. I prefer to call them capture pages or landing pages. And there's lots of them. You can use one or as many as you want. I use more than one depending where I'm sending them to. But the choice is entirely up to you. So if you go back into the system again, and and if you want to find out more, you can just click on contact and contact the company or contact me, and we can answer more questions for you. And I think that's pretty near all I was going to tell you today. But you can also, I was going to tell you about the training. Sorry. First of all, you have this introduction video. It's about 10 minutes. And then you have the 90-day blitz. So you have that for every day. And then the compensation. Now, if somebody asks you about the compensation plan, don't try and explain it. Send them to this video, and they can watch it more than once if they have to find out how the compensation plan is. Because if you try to explain it to them, they won't understand it anyway. So I always send them there and let them look at it over there. Now, I think that's pretty much all I'm going to tell you today. So thank you for listening, and we'll talk to you next week. Bye for now.